The title of this mini podcast is Action Ends the Argument. You've probably heard me say this before. Doing diffuses fear. And it's true. The moment you take action, fear starts to fade. But before you even get there, there's one big hurdle. The endless debate in your head. Should I? Shouldn't I? The longer you stay stuck in that loop, the longer you stay stuck, period. Now, don't get me wrong. Thinking things through is important. But rehashing the same options over and over? That's just fear in disguise keeping you frozen in place. Here's the truth. You already understood your options the first time. Running them through your mind again and again doesn't bring new clarity. It just delays action. So the next time you catch yourself stuck in that mental debate, remind yourself, you've never won an argument with your mind. The real way forward? End the debate. Take the step. Once you do, action takes over and fear starts to fade. Every single time. All the best, John.